So we're building a barn. We have this cement mixer. We have the cords here. The cords are hooked up in the back of our truck. There's a nice little spot that you can hook it up to, right there. So we already made 4 holes. We have one right here. Concrete, lots of concrete. We have a whole bunch of holes. Don't know about, I don't know how deep they are, but we make X's with a string to show where we are, so that we don't have to start it over again. We've already done at least done one full hole. Yeah, we've done one full hole. We're using let's see, using this. So it's a hole digger. It's very cool. And this is what we mix it in. You can see. And it's a very nice machine to use. We are going to do how many holes? 22 holes all around. If you all around to, let's see. It's going to be how many feet wide?
64 feet long and 22 feet wide.
64 feet long and 22 feet wide. We are going to, you can see back there. We've been clearing all out of this. We've been clearing it out, if you can see all that. We've already had one burn, and now we're going to start another. We're planning on getting this barn done by the winter, before the winter. But
Get it done in a month. So
we're gonna probably get something done in a month.
I hope so.
Hopefully. You see this machine? What? And we have this nice tent. Very nice. It's a nice thing to keep you cool when you're working in hot weather. Thank you for watching.